Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter the looks like Discord has crashed unexpectedly error. This error may occur with the corruption of some files hosted in the Discord application. The main reason for this file corruption or damage may be due to the antivirus program. Therefore, we will give you information on how to fix this error by mentioning a few suggestions. Before we show you solutions, we will briefly talk about the forum. You can forward various errors you encounter to the community on the forum portal we have opened. For this, if your problem continues or if you encounter a different problem, you can get a quick response by sharing it on the forum portal. We care about your questions and suggestions. Although this suggestion may sound simple for you, restarting the computer can prevent various possible errors. Therefore, you can check if the problem persists by restarting your computer. Although it seems like a simple suggestion, running applications as administrator can prevent us from encountering various problems like this. To do this, close the Discord application completely with the help of a task manager and run it as an administrator and check if the problem persists. Disable any antivirus program you are using or delete it completely from your computer. If you are using Windows Defender, disable it. Before doing this, if the Discord application is open in the background, let's close it completely with the help of a task manager. Then, let's open Virus and Threat Protection on the Start search screen. Click on the Manage Settings option on the screen that opens and scroll down the menu and click on the Managed Controlled Folder Access option. After this process, let's disable the Controlled Folder Access option and come back. Let's turn off the real-time protection that comes up and go down again and click on the Add or Remove Exclusions option. Click the Add an Exclusion option on the screen that opens, select the folder and select the folders where the Discord application is installed and save. After the save process is complete, you can run the game and check if the problem persists. Internet connection problems can cause many errors. If you are experiencing slowdown or disconnection in your internet connection, let's give a few suggestions to fix it. Type CMD in the Start search screen and run as administrator. Then paste the commands and the article on the command prompt screen in order and press enter. After all processes are completed successfully, restart your computer and check if the problem persists. Turn your modem off, wait 20 seconds, and turn it back on. During this process, your IP address will change and will prevent various network problems. If the problem persists, let's move on to another suggestion. Some problems in the Discord application can cause us to encounter various errors like this. For this, we can eliminate the problem by reinstalling the Discord application. For this, type local appdata in the Start search screen and open it. Delete the Discord folder in the Open folder. After performing the deletion, open the roaming folder by accessing the previous file location. After this process, delete the Discord folder and go to the official website of the Discord application, download the application and install it on your computer. After the installation process is complete, you can check if the problem persists. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix looks like Discord has crashed unexpectedly error. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the community with your questions by accessing the forum portal we have opened. By supporting us, we can expand our community. Thank you.